Welcome to the first episode of Inspired by Nature. My name is Gordana Kirans, and I am the co-founder of entrepreneurcircle.world. Today, we will dedicate our time to an important topic, which is packaging. Packaging is all around us, and per se, it has a good function. It's protecting our food or our purchase, our goods that we buy online or in the store. I'm recording this video from China, where I have been living for the last 4 years, and I have noticed a lot of things in this country. The positive side of the growth of China has been that so many people can afford new products and enjoy a better standard of living. The strength of e-commerce allowed thousands and thousands of businesses to sell their goods online on platforms like Taobao and Jingdong. Of course, as the world's most populous nation and the world's second largest economy, the effects on the environment are enormous. To give you an example, a fruit in a store is packaged like this. This is a papaya. And this is not the worst of it. Every single candy or cookie is packaged separately in a plastic. Ordering, of course, online brings a lot of packaging with it. But we won't dwell on what we are doing wrong today. We will look at inspiration, because only when we get inspired can we change the wrongdoings. So let's look not further than around us. We don't need to go far to find inspiration. It's in nature. And when we look at oranges, this is how an orange is sold here in China. But orange is, of course, one of the packaging champions, because we can take off the skin and it disclosed the juicy substance inside. So, have you ever noticed how citrus fruit are packaged? Citrus juice is packaged. We don't need plastic packaging. Nature doesn't use it. Of course, we are all familiar with bananas, apples, other products, but doesn't always need to be fruit. Sometimes it can be corn. Or, as I said, I'm in a southern province of Guangdong in China, where lychees are grown, the best lychees in the whole country. And look at this. The thin skin covers and protects the delicate substance inside. And this white fruit protects the seed on the other side. Isn't it beautiful, ingenious, especially how thin the shell is, yet the fruit is completely protected. One of my favorites is a fruit called mangosteen. It even has a little flower at the bottom. Look at that. Yeah. Mangosteen, you can break with your fingers, and it exposes a beautiful white substance, the fruit inside. You can take a look. It's one of my favorites. I think I mentioned it already. And you might say, but all that is quite fragile. And packaging might break and expose the product, and the product might perish. How about walnuts? You see? How about macadamia nuts, hazelnuts? All of these are very sturdy. They don't biodegrade as fast as other fruit packaging, but they can be used for something else. Hence, you see, we can find a lot of inspiration all around us. And the question to you is, what kind of packaging is available near you? What can you use for your products instead of plastics? This was our first episode on Inspired by Nature. I hope you enjoyed it. And if it inspired you, let us know what you will use as your packaging. Thank you.